All right, so you're probably asking yourself, what's the best bang for my buck side skirt I could get? Well, you can get these, which are Aeroflow Dynamics, which the link is obviously in the description. Or you can get these. These are from Bayson. The link is obviously going to be in the description. We're going to change the look of the whole car with these. They're not just like little splitters. They're actually full-on TRD look-alike side skirts. You could get the whole actual TRD side skirts, but right now they were just I'm not going to wait months for some TRD side skirts when I could just get these and then later on get the real ones. But they're plastic, easy to put on, and if they break, they don't cost that much, so you can just get another pair. All right, so if you didn't know, I actually did crash the BRZ. It was something small, it wasn't crazy, but it did mess up the quarter panel down here just a little bit, but we'll get that fixed later. In the meantime, right now we're just gonna cover it up with a nice side skirt. So the install shouldn't be too complicated. It comes with brackets and everything you need for the install. You're gonna use the factory mounting like hardware that you have on your car already, and it should mount to that perfectly. And you have 3M tape as well to help you for it to actually stick on the car, and you don't have anything to worry about with it falling off. So it literally comes with all the hardware. This is a 3M that he supplies, right? And then as well with the screws right here and the mounting little brackets, as you can see, as well with the actual brackets that go under your car with the screws right here. So you're gonna have 3 slots that the brackets screw into, and then he also provides this like little shield right here, this little rubber piece that goes on the edge for it doesn't hit your paint. And this right here, I'm telling you right now, this is amazing. So we're gonna put that on real quick, and then we're gonna go to actually mounting this under the car. So when you mount it, this is how you're gonna mount it. You're gonna have the little bracket with the little shelf on top. Alright, so what I did here, you see the factory liner that you have right next to your wheel? You see those 2 little like screws or little pin thingies? I forgot what they're called. Those are little grommets right there. Those, you take those off and they literally go directly into the actual side skirt. So super easy to find out where to mount them in the front. See, as you can see in the front, super easy. So just take off the bottom 2 and then you'll be able to line those holes up. But for this car in the back is going to be a little bit trickier since it is damaged in the back. I'm gonna have to do some like custom like little drilling or something here, but it shouldn't be too hard. And I'll actually show you guys how to actually mount it underneath, but on the other side where it's good, those little brackets, you know, where your factory seam is underneath your car, where you jack it up, it's like a factory little like flat seam like this. So the bracket actually hooks onto that. Super easy, but I'll show you guys on the other side. So look, as you could see, this is under your car, right? You see this little lip right here? So the brackets are actually just gonna go around this and clamp onto it like that. So this right here is what's gonna go on the actual ledge that I just showed you. But if you don't wanna drill into it, you can actually put the double-sided tape onto the actual side skirt and then mount it on there. But I am gonna drill into it. So back here, you're gonna have to drill into it since the holes are right here, unless your car has holes back here for the factory mud flap. So I have some screws here that I'm gonna use and drill right here, and then I'm gonna use a double-sided tape as well. All right, so this is what the car looks like in all its glory. Look at that. Look at that, bro. Just a little bit of double-sided tape, and like I said, I did smoke some holes right here in the back. I'll paint those black or actually get black ones, but bro, come on now. That literally changes the whole look of the car. Like it completely transforms it. Like it looks like it's meant to be there. Wow. All right guys, so thank you very much for watching, and thank you for actually staying to the end. Please subscribe down below and leave a like. Thank you. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.